Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode on iOS 26. To do it, go to the settings. I have the settings right here, so let's go into that, then find the battery setting. Now simply enable or disable the low power mode at the bottom. Now it's in the low power mode, so what it does is it limits some background activities which may use battery. Like for some apps, refreshing in the background may use the battery. Also lowers the screen brightness a little bit and makes your device turn the screen off more frequently. You can see now the screen goes off like after I think 30 seconds. When it's disabled, then actually the screen will go off after the time you set it to in the display and brightness setting. When you find auto lock, I have it set to never, so it'll actually, the screen won't go off automatically even if I'm inactive on the phone. And if it's set to the low power mode and the battery setting, then it'll actually go off. Also it refreshes email less frequently, and I think that's basically it. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.